If you want to clone an app on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case, we can open Settings. There we go. We're gonna scroll down on the left side until you find Advanced Features, and then you should be able to find Dual Messenger. So you can go over here, and if you have any app compatible with this option, then you should be able to tap on the switcher in order to create the second copy of the selected app. However, unfortunately, not every app is compatible with this feature. Only some messaging apps are working with this. So if you have any app that you wish to duplicate that you cannot be duplicated using this dual messenger, then in that case you can use the secure folder instead, because the secure folder is pretty much a separate environment that allows us to get pretty much the same app again that you may already have installed. So in that case, you want to open security and privacy in settings, then go to more security settings, and here we have the secure folder. So we need to press continue, grant permissions, and now we need to wait for the password setup. There we go. So in this case, we can choose the password for the secure folder, because usually the secure folder is used to store some private data. And in my case, I'm just gonna set up a simple password, a simple PIN code. There we go, tap continue, and then enter the password again. You can also use your Samsung account to be able to restore the password in case you forget it. In my case, I don't really need to do that. And let's press next. And we should immediately go to the secure folder. Of course, the secure folder can be found in the app drawer. So in case you want to open it, just go to the app drawer. Now over here, we can press on this plus button on the right side. And over here on the right side again, we should be able to find apps that we already have installed. So you can choose whichever app you want to duplicate. So in this case, I'm gonna choose WhatsApp again. And we can press add in the upper right corner. And now we have WhatsApp in here in secure folder, and this app doesn't have any data. This is like the second version, the duplicate, so we can set it up again. You can also press and hold your finger on the app in order to add it to the home screen, so you have quicker access. Instead of going to the secure folder every time, you can just add it to the home screen instead. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.